Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I have another clean with me video. It's gonna be a quick and easy video. It's not super messy. It's just a little bit of cleaning that I have to get done. And since we did have a snowstorm last night, and I think it's still snowing, I will put a little bit of what it looks like outside in this video so you guys can enjoy what it looks like, because I really do like the snow to look at but not to be in.
Whoa, it's snow up here too. Whoa.
We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside.
Anyways, so since we have nothing else to do, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean and get some of this laundry done. I'm almost basically done doing the laundry. I have to fold. Some of this laundry was done yesterday, so I'm just gonna go ahead and fold that as well in this video. But for the most part, everything isn't messy. It's just we just need to tidy up a little bit of this apartment. So that's what I'm gonna be doing now, okay? You guessed it, I am starting on the bed as usual. When we do have snowstorms, I usually get super lazy and end up just being in bed all day, watching movies and things like that. But today I really wanted to get some of this stuff done since Christmas is literally around the corner, and I really don't want there to be such a mess that it's going to be overwhelming. So that's why I just wanted to get some stuff done today. And this drying rack comes in handy because I usually do just wash our clothes in the mini washer, and usually I put them outside to dry, but since it's winter time, all of our clothes would literally be frozen. So I'm so happy I ended up grabbing this up because it's such a life changer for me anyway, since I can't have a dryer or washer in this apartment.
Let's go outside.
I started getting into Supernatural, so that's what I'm watching here while I was cleaning up.
Yeah, isn't that amazing?
And here I'm in the bathroom just trying to get everything out of here, like the mini washer that I was using for the last couple days washing our clothes. And I also wanted to really clean our tub out because I haven't done that maybe in a week or so, so I wanted to get that done today.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
And what I use to scrub my tub is an SOS pad. I feel like this is the best thing that helps the ring around the tub for me anyways. But I really love to use these because I can use it one time and I can just throw it away.
Yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas.
When I ended up in the kitchen, my daughter was already preparing to wash the dishes, so I ended up just trying to help her out a little bit since I did end up cleaning my son's chore, and that's the bathroom. So I didn't want her to feel bad that I helped him and he doesn't have anything to do tonight. So I just helped her with most of the things. So then the only thing she had to do was wash the dishes and sweep the floor, and that was all she had to do tonight.
Don't know where, don't know how. Lately I've come to realize that I can't see it in your eyes, so it's true. I'm so glad.
And the last thing I wanted to do was just tidy up the living room since it really wasn't that messy. And this is basically the end of my video. If you liked my video, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye.
This part of the year has some